Well, hi there, Alexis here. This is Whiteboard Mastery, and today I want to share with you what whiteboard hacking actually is and also what it isn't. At the core of it, whiteboard hacking is a bundle of skills, of tools, of methods, and an attitude to think about how to think out loud. Um, the cool thing is the tools that we're dealing with whiteboard hacking are pretty much readily available. Whiteboards are everywhere in offices and schools. And even if you don't have a whiteboard yet, which I highly recommend you getting, you can always follow along and do what we're doing here on with pen and paper. The skills that we use as whiteboard hackers are very simple illustration skills and learning a new way of writing. As whiteboard hackers, we use methods. So methods are processes and templates, really, that we choose depending on what we want to work on. So, as I said before, we also, as whiteboard hackers, have an attitude about what we're doing. And the attitude is that we think out loud, right? So this is really important. So our attitude is to get to the board or get to pen and paper as fast as we can. Don't let thoughts and ideas get stuck in our head. Also, part of the attitude is to encourage others to join us. So if you're in a team, a whiteboard hacker, as a whiteboard hacker, it isn't about being a one-man show. As whiteboard hackers, we encourage and embrace the so-called growth mindset, where we say, I'm going to just try it out. I'm going to just give it a spin. That's the great thing about whiteboard. You just get the eraser, you erase it, and you try again. Another part of the whiteboard hacker attitude is to just enjoy yourself, right? So I use the whiteboard every day, and it's helped me so much, and it's helped the teams that I work with so much to just say, let's get out of our heads. So as an individual, whiteboard hacking will take you from feeling overwhelmed with your ideas, with your problems, with information that you're getting bombarded every day, to having crystal clear oversight and sort of a bird's eye view on what to do next. So in summary, I have put together a little manifesto that I want to read to you, the Whiteboard Hacker's Manifesto. A whiteboard hacker is a new breed of knowledge worker. We solve problems and communicate our ideas and digest new information smarter, faster, and more effective. As whiteboard hackers, we wage guerrilla war against the thoughts stuck in our head. As whiteboard hackers, we think out loud and we embrace the blank canvas, the blank whiteboard. As whiteboard hackers, we have the skills so we can draw the first line with confidence. And as whiteboard hackers, we show rather than tell. As whiteboard hackers, we spread joy. We want to make sure we have a good time and the people around us are enjoying themselves. As whiteboard hackers, we solve problems. We encourage others to think out loud. We create shared understanding. And by doing all of this, we are able to change our own minds and the minds of others. Remember, you're just one whiteboard away from coming up with that brand new idea. You're just one whiteboard away from solving that problem. You're just one whiteboard away from inspiring your team and your audience. And you're just one whiteboard away from prioritizing that most important next step. So that's what whiteboard hacking is. It, on the other hand, is not a course in calligraphy, although you will learn how to write much better than you currently are writing. Whiteboard hacking is not a course in illustration where you learn to become an illustrator, although you will learn the basics of illustration that you can use on a board. And whiteboard hacking is not a course in what is called visual note-taking, although you will actually be able to use all the skills that you have to take better notes and to work on paper better anyways. So these are all great skills to have: calligraphy, illustration, sketch notes, but our goal is to think out loud. First and foremost, if anything you can take away from what I want to show you is think out loud. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow and have a great day.